I'm just gonna show you the new update that came yesterday, but I didn't have time to do yesterday, so I'm doing it today. And as you see right now, goats are here at the diamond shop. And what else? And I'm just gonna show you what's their action. So this is how they dance. They go around here and sleep. Sleep is kind of like a deer, how they sleep, but except they're taller. And hop. And play. So play is just a trampoline, and you can also change the color around here. You just gotta go to your person or animal, whatever. Click it, and there's too much lag right now. And you just gotta go to colors here, the bottom here, and choose any one that you want. You just go playback, and it change color. I'm just gonna go back to gray, but it's taking too long. It's still taking too long. And oh, so let's go to news. We're up there. So ghosts are here. And what else? Leap Year Party. So keep your eyes open for the Leap Year Party, and the amazing celebration filled with tons of fun and whatever rare items that only happens once every 4 years. So this Leap Year Party is only for this year, and I think it's gonna come back like until after 4 years. And there's rare items. That's cool. Next page is February 27th is International Polar Bear Day. Celebrate this amazing anime jam by clicking on the banners around your mall and picking up special polar bears item at the Conservation Museum. And while you're there, be sure to donate gems to help real polar bears in the wild. Polar bears so cool. That's what it says right here. So artists coming soon from the traveling and in a goat mini book and mini book. So there's a trophy actually there, but I'm not gonna be getting it because of lag. And so falcons are coming soon to Jamal. Okay, with Jamal. And this page is just letting know AJHQ about the chatting rules, and so all you have to do is put any phrases or words that you want to add to the game, and they can actually add it. And this page is gonna be on the look for the lucky party and luckiest and greenest party of the year. It's gonna be cool. And pets. Now you can get more pets. I'm just gonna be going to donate gems. Right click right here. Donate 250 gems. So here's the where you can buy it. It's right here, and I'm not buying it because I already have it. I'm just gonna be showing you how it looks on any animals or this. But it's taking too long. So just look like this. So yeah. And I'm just gonna be going to the diamond shop, showing you the goats that I put there. I already bought one. So what's the point of coming here? But anyways, it's right here. And that's actually all for this new update. I don't think there's anything else. Oh yeah, and one more thing from here for the jamograms, they added it to different colors. There's a whole bunch, like example, they put a whole bunch. See? I don't think this is clear, but yeah. Yeah, that's all that I added this new update. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you haven't. So that's all for this video.